Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Candy Crush Saga on PC. Super fast and easy, and it will take you a couple of seconds to do so, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Microsoft Store. Then on search, you just need to write Candy Crush Saga, right? And select the first link probably. And then all you need to do here is to hit install here. And then you need to wait until installation process will be ended. The game is quite small, so it will take a couple of maybe minutes to do so. And after that, you can enjoy game. And after installation process is completed, you just need to hit play. And you will have this game on your computer. And you can play it, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.